Hey, I am Bilal Ahmad and you are watching Tech with Bilal Ahmad. Have you ever wanted to create a video using your own avatar or cartoonized photo? Are you wondering how to do it quickly and easily? In this video, we have the answer for you. With everyone talking about creating their own videos without using their original videos and building a video in just a few minutes, we decided to take it to the next level. Instead of using pre-made templates or stock footages, we are going to use some amazing AI tools to generate a video with your own avatar or cartoonized photo. So if you are interested in creating a video with your own avatar or cartoonized photo and doing it in just a few minutes, then you are in the right place. In the following sections, we will show you exactly how to do it step by step using some cutting edge AI tools. So what tools are required to create this type of video? First of all, we need a camera or a pre-existing photo from your gallery. Secondly, if we need a toonish type photo or avatar, then we would require Toon Me. Thirdly, we will use DID AI. First, you need a good quality photo of yourself. You can either take a new photo using your camera or use a previously taken picture. Once you have that, we will use the ToonMe app to create a cartoon version of your photo, which we will use as your avatar for the video. Next, we will use the DID AI tool to generate a realistic video of your avatar from just a single photo. DID is a cutting edge technology that uses AI to create a video with natural facial movements, expressions, and even lip syncing to your voice. I'm going to show you exactly how to use these AI amazing tools to create a video that you will be proud to share with your family and friends. So I assume that you have generated your toonish version of the picture. Now search for DID AI in your search bar. Follow the first link and then go for login, or you have to sign up for this. Go to create video and then add your avatar here. As I have already added my avatar, I will select this and then I would be writing the script here. And then I would be selecting the language, the voices, or what type of styles we would be using. Or we can alternatively use an audio clip here. It is up to you that you use the script or an audio for this. Then you would just click generate video. As I have already generated a video, it would generate a video like this. So it is perfectly fine. You would just download it and use it. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you were able to create a video with your own avatar using amazing AI tools like ToonMe and DID. You don't need any special skills and equipments to do this. And the results are truly impressive. If you try it out yourself, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.